Today I'll show you 15 open-source alternatives to paid tools that are trending in 2025. Let me be transparent from the start. I have tested 6 of these open-source tools in real projects. I will give you my honest opinion on each one. The remaining tools come from research, documentation, and community forums. Please treat this as your open-source discovery guide, not my blanket endorsement. You'll find all links in the description so you can verify everything yourself. Let's start with N8N first. This automation tool appears everywhere right now. N8N serves as your Zapier alternative. You use N8N to connect different apps and services. For example, you automate social media posting, sync data between spreadsheets and databases, or trigger notifications when specific events happen. N8N offers strong AI integration, making it perfect for building automated agents. N8N provides visual low-code workflows with over 4,000 templates. 2 versions exist. The paid cloud version requires a subscription. The community version runs open source, but you host it yourself. I host my community version on a virtual private server, but you can also host it locally on your machine if you have enough resources. Next up is Ollama. Here's what makes it special. One command line install gets you Llama 3, Mistral, DeepSeek, Gemma, and many other great models. You get both command line interface and REST API, works completely offline with no token limits. Ollama's core, client SDKs, and web interface integrations use MIT and Apache licenses on GitHub. So you are free to use, modify, and review the code. Every model comes with explicit community or permissive licenses. To learn how to install Ollama, watch my video on that topic. You also pair Ollama with Open Web UI for a ChatGPT-style interface, plus role-based access control. I've covered installation in another video you'll want to check out. Now for hardware reality. If your GPU has under 8 GB of VRAM, stick to 8 billion parameter models or smaller. CPU only works too, but expect slower performance. Let's move on to Taiga. Taiga gives you project management like Jira. You work with Kanban boards, Scrum workflows, epics, backlog management, and issue tracking. This all comes open source under the Mozilla Public License 2.0. You host it yourself in Docker. Here's my honest verdict. Taiga works well as a Jira alternative. But for me, it felt like too much when I only needed simple boards. The setup was heavy for my basic Kanban needs. I switched to a basic Apple Reminders Kanban setup. That's enough for me. If you want to see that, I've made a video on it too. Now for the license. Mozilla Public License 2.0 means you can use Taiga for free in both personal and commercial projects. If you prefer not to host Taiga yourself on your own machine, you use the free cloud version instead. The free plan includes private and commercial use, but you are limited to a small number of users and basic features. The next tool I tried myself is Zettlr, which is a note-taking app. Zettlr gives you citation management, split view, internal links, and many export formats. You link notes together and create networks of ideas for big writing projects. I liked these academic features, but Obsidian felt easier to use day to day, although Obsidian is not open source. However, you may use Obsidian for free for both personal and commercial work, with no time limits or licensing fees. The advantage of Zettlr is that you work with plain markdown files, so every note you create is a regular file on your computer. You store your notes locally, organize them into folders, and move them freely between apps. If you want to switch from Zettlr to another markdown tool such as Obsidian, you keep all your files and simply change the interface. Next up is CrewAI. CrewAI lets you build teams of AI agents that work together to run complex workflows. You set up different agents, assign them roles, and have them tackle parts of a project step by step. You use CrewAI with local models from Ollama or connect to cloud LLMs if you want. I used CrewAI to automate research and summarization tasks. You write the agents using Python code, which means that you do need to know how to code. But the framework simplifies building AI agents and keeps your code organized. CrewAI is fully open source and runs locally. You keep all your data on your own server. You mix and match agents for anything from content generation to complex data pipelines. To see CrewAI in action, watch my full video guide. Let's talk about Bitwarden. Bitwarden is an amazing password manager similar to 1Password or LastPass. Bitwarden offers a cloud-hosted version with a free individual plan which includes unlimited password storage, access on unlimited devices, and a secure password generator. However, if you prefer to have full control over your data, you have the option to self-host the Bitwarden server on your own infrastructure using platforms like Docker. Bitwarden's source code is open and you can use Bitwarden for both personal and commercial purposes. The free cloud-hosted plan is suitable for personal use and even some small-scale commercial needs. In addition to these 6 open-source tools I tested myself, I pulled together a list of tools I have not tried myself, but I researched them carefully. They all stand out in their category, and every single one is open source. These are top picks if you want practical cost-saving options beyond big-name paid tools. LibreOffice gives you a complete Office suite for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. You use it instead of Microsoft Office. LibreOffice keeps you fully offline and works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. You pay nothing and avoid proprietary file formats. Mattermost replaces Slack and Microsoft Teams for team chat and collaboration. You host Mattermost yourself for full privacy and integrate it into your own workflows. The Team Edition runs under an MIT license and covers standard messaging, automation, and plugins. You keep your data and avoid recurring fees. NocoDB is a drop-in Airtable alternative. You turn any SQL database into a collaborative spreadsheet. NocoDB gives you drag-and-drop grid, Kanban, and calendar views plus workflow automation. You self-host and own every record. AppFlowy lets you build a Notion-style workspace. You work offline, use mobile or desktop apps, and even run local AI, all with every file stored locally or on your own server. Jitsi gives you secure video calls and group meetings. Unlike Zoom or Google Meet, you host Jitsi yourself for full control over privacy. Teams launch unlimited meetings and screen shares without accounts or restrictions. Jitsi works on any device and is open source. ERPNext covers full enterprise resource management like SAP. You run accounting, HR, stock, CRM, and more, all fully open and adaptable for any workflow. BookStack is a simple, self-hosted, easy-to-use platform for organizing and storing information. You use it to replace Confluence or Notion for team documentation. Organize everything with books, chapters, and pages. You work in a clean, focused interface. Every document is easy to find. All your content stays under your control. Element, a messaging client built on the Open Matrix protocol, serves as a powerful, privacy-focused alternative to both consumer messaging apps like WhatsApp and team collaboration tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams. Its key difference is a decentralized design. You and your team host your own server if you want full control. No vendor lock-in. All messages and files stay under your control. End-to-end encryption protects your conversations by default. No paid plan unlocks privacy. Your chats are never mined for ads or sold to third parties. You get real data sovereignty with every message. Last up is Google Gemini CLI. Gemini CLI gets a lot of hype right now. You see it everywhere from developer forums to video tutorials. This open-source tool brings Google's Gemini models right into your terminal for code generation, review, and agent workflows. Use it in place of paid tools like GitHub Copilot or any commercial AI CLI. You can use it freely for personal or business projects. However, token and usage limits apply to the Gemini model. If any of these tools sparked ideas, hit that like button and share your test stories in the comments. Start testing these tools and let the community know what works for your projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon in my next video.